Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we are going to the reading section. Today we have a text with the title Sunset in the West. We have many paragraphs to read. They are talking about the global economy. Here the title Sunset in the West does not deal with the time, but it deals with the economy and how the economy of the West will become weaker and weaker because of the rise of Eastern countries which are powerful in their economy, such as China, Japan, South Korea, India. Sunset here does not deal with the time, but it deals with the global economy. Now we have three types of questions. The first one is true, false. The second one and the third exercise, we have words that deal with a part of speech, how to change these words from adjectives to nouns, or from nouns to adjectives, or verbs to nouns. Okay, and the third question is information question. This exercise should be solved after reading the paragraphs or the text. Let us start by reading the introduction. Look at this introduction. From the picture we can conclude, we can see that China will remove America from the global economy to become the first. Okay, let us read the first paragraph. For many centuries, the world's biggest economies were all in the West. So the biggest economies were all in the West. West means here the European countries and America. The 21st century will bring enormous changes to the economic world order. This means that in the 21st century, big changes will happen to the global economy, and things will be upside down. Okay, this paragraph shows that there will be big changes in the global economy, so that the sun in the west will set and rise in another place, that is the east. Okay, if we go to the paragraphs, yes, this paragraph shows that the industrial economies, the first industrial economies were European until the 1890s. Then after that, the Asian tigers arrived. He means Japan and South Korea. They are very powerful in their economy, but their population here, their populations do not help them to get them the first class in world economy. So America is still there because of its population. The Americans' population is bigger than Japan and South Africa. In this paragraph talks about China with its large population, which is about 1,300,000,000. The thing that helps China to become the world's factory, and as a result has the biggest economy in the world. So this shows that China, with the biggest population, is number one in world economy. this paragraph shows that we have in China, there are about 100 billionaires, and still we have poor people there, but China has the largest number of billionaires. In this paragraph also talks about China, which has polluted cities as a result of factories. And another thing, bad thing in its economy is that the one child per family policy. You know, in China you can't have two children or three because of this policy. This paragraph talks about India. This paragraph talks about India, which has about 1 billion people, which is approximately as big as China. Again, in this paragraph, the second paragraph, we can see that the Indians are good at science, engineering, and IT. They are good, especially in IT. Okay. In the last paragraph, it is just a summary of what we have read in the previous paragraphs. That shows that this paragraph shows that China and India might be number one in the future because of their population, which is the third of the world's population. And America and Europe will become less important in world economy. So after showing this, we can go back to the questions, and here we can answer the questions, true, false. The first big industrial economies were European. This is true, and this is here. This is shown here. The first industrial economies were European. Okay, so this sentence is true according to the passage. The population of Japan and South Korea are nearly as big as America's. This is false. Why? Because they are much smaller than America's. Okay. The third one, China now has the biggest economy in the world. According to the text, China, and this text was made before 2018. So now we are in 2018. So this sentence is true now, but before that date it was false. There are many billionaires in China. Yes, we have 100 billionaires. India's population is much smaller than China. It's not much smaller. Yes, they are about 1 billion. So false. China's population is now in 2011 they are 1,300,000,000, and India is 1,200,000,000. So this sentence is false. Again, India is very successful in the world of IT. Yes, it is true. The West will soon become less more in the world's economy. Yes, because of the rise of China, India, Japan, South Korea. Yes, the European countries will become weaker in world economy. This is the first exercise. The second exercise is dealing with part of speech. how can we change the adjective into noun or noun to adjective, and you can see this in this economy, economic, industrial, industry, produce, product. This is product, not produce. We have a mistake here. Grow, growth, capitalism, capitalist, pollution, polluted, and we have another adjective which is polluting with ing, success and successful. Okay, and the third on the fourth question is information question. I hope I answered them during the reading the paragraphs. I hope you are in good mood to be with me during my class. Thank you very much.